Just a quick video to review this inside area of the rim. Yeah, the anodizing is always somewhat inconsistent in here because they don't so much polish the inside, but realize that it is protected because there is clear anodizing in addition to the color anodizing. But I would say it's pretty consistent with every one that I get from Excel is like that, the gold included. You can see they concentrate on the outside area of the rim where the surface has to be pristine before anodizing to get the finish that they get. So there's really nothing out of the ordinary with this rim. It's pretty consistent from what I've received from them. Realize the edge area of the rim is ground smooth, and then there's a serration in that area. And I don't know if that has any effect on when they go to do the anodizing, but besides the color, there is always clear anodizing that is done as well. And this was a factory sealed rim. It came wrapped in paper tape, which is what they do from the factory.